Alright. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. That's what it reminded me of when I tapped it. God, I feel so out of place right now. Whew, I feel so out of place. Dial it in, Doc. Dial it in. Yeah, I feel so out of place right now. The throttle and all that stuff. It's so different on this bike, man. God damn. Ooh. Auto rate. He's going straight. Nah, he'll zoom. This won't open for me. This will close, it'll open for him. He ain't turning left, he going straight. We can still catch up though. Tires aren't warm though. Please, Blaze. Please. Pretty please, Blaze. Blaze, Blaze, Blaze. Well, I think it's a chick. Well, we're going that way, so let's see if we can have fun with an auto rate. Alright, enough is enough. Can you please close? He's getting away. Thank you. Watch me stall. Forgot to let go of the clutch. I forgot this blinker don't close by itself. Auto rate. I can't tell if it is. The sun's hitting me in my eyes. They missed the turn, that's why they're turning there. That's the garbage dump. They're not going there, there's no houses there. Alright, unless they're living in trash. I don't think so. But unless they're living in trash, they don't need to go there. A new oil change, man. We're testing it out. Okay, he did not acknowledge me at all. He didn't acknowledge me at all. He didn't acknowledge me at all. Wants to go fast, but you're in an A3 2.02 202T. I don't know if you can go fast. Like, if you got that functionality. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think you got that functionality. Alright. Yeah. He said pin it. He wants to see how fast that thing can go. It's jerking me. It's jerking me for some reason. I don't know why it's jerking me. See, I'm scared because it doesn't have a steering damper. So that's why it scares me a little bit. No steering damper. I don't know. And I did get a power wheelie in first. But again, like, it was jerking me. Was it because, like... Okay, I know why it was jerking me. My foot was right on the shift lever, ready to push it to the next one. And since it's a quick shifter, it auto blips your rev or whatever. It not auto blips, but it revs up. So like right now, look, see? That's why. It's just sensitive. But you can adjust that, I believe. You can adjust that. That's what Bazzaz told me. That's what Bazzaz told me. You can adjust that hoe. Yeah, let's go there. As you can tell, everybody is one race. Where is the diversity and where are the squats? No, that's construction. This dude's collecting plants. Alright, so now we know on all my other bikes, Broly and Nimbus, you can keep your boot. That's why I gotta get rear sets too. Because I'm really like, the other bikes have a better sitting position, but on my other bikes, Broly and Nimbus, I can keep my boot right tucked up under there and press the shifter up just a bit. So whenever I'm ready to shift to the next one and I'm hitting red line or whatever, I have to just tap it and it moves. This one you can't because it's too sensitive. So I think we can adjust that. Alright, so we're gonna turn back. Everything. We got it. See. So whenever I shift, I gotta move my boot. Shift, move boot away. Or move it to the side. Shift, down, away. Alright then, we can do that. We can for sure do that. I shouldn't be doing this because tires are cold. Now it's a lot better. If you guys remember, this is where we came for Broly. I just like this place a lot because you can see a little overpass. And then people sleeping here are gonna get angry. Yeah, you know what? We're not gonna go here. There's I want to rev. There's people here and I want to rev the hell out of it. We can't have anyone see us do our shenanigans. I got scared because I was like, why is it jerking me, man? By the way, that guy was telling me he wants me to pin it full to see, and there's always douchebags. He wants to see me pin it full to see how fast I can go. But he said, be safe, alright? Do it safely. And I said, yeah, buddy. We're always safe. There's a place that I always go to. You know what? Yeah, let's just go there. Let's just go there. Gun it all you want, son. Be as loud as you want, son. Kakarot is gonna get beat by you. We're gonna do a ride here. I always take the bikes over there because I just like that area. But we're gonna do a ride here. Yeah, look back all you want. I ain't chasing you. And we have all these cyclists passing us right now. So we're gonna let them pass. Imagine if there were that many motorcycles outside today. But sadly there isn't. So we got this guy. I think we got 3 shorties coming up. Or 1 dude and 2 shorties. Or actually no, just 2 dudes. So we're gonna show them up by burning it out here. I'm playing, we're not. Yeah, no oil change. He's talking about his wife issues. I think that's what he was talking about. But we're gonna head home because this is a short and sweet video. I don't want to make it too long, but it is what it is. Blaze it, blaze it, blaze it. You got slower. All right, dude, pass. Doesn't take that long, dog. Pass. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. God damn. Why am I mean to so many people? Why? I love you. Just want to say that. That one comment, you have access to my body now.